And on our website at cbs11tv.com.
The problem with domestic violence appears to be much too common. The North Texas city of Rowlett has dealt with a number of cases in just the past week. In this case, a man allegedly shot his ex-girlfriend to death in front of her home. Just days earlier, police were responding to a call that a man was threatening his wife with a shotgun. She got away. He then shot himself and burned down their house. Tonight, we're hearing the first-hand account from the victim in that case. She says the one thing the law offers to protect women in her position provided her no protection at all. Here's CBS 11's Arzo Dost.
I immediately got out of bed, ran to my bedroom door, opened my bedroom door, and it was him. Standing with a shotgun.
Veronica Galaviz finds the strength to relive what happened to her last week.
Ran to my neighbor's house and said, "Jack is here. He's trying to kill me."
Police say her ex-husband, Jack Egan Jr., broke into her house, shot her friend, and set her house on fire before taking his own life.
It was drive-by after drive-by, phone calls. His behavior kept escalating and escalating.
Galaviz had a protective order signed by a judge in November. She even says she had evidence proving that Egan ignored the protective order and that she called police repeatedly.
I went to them, I begged and I pleaded. I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to do. He's planning. He's gonna kill me. And I need your help.
Galaviz says that protective order did nothing for her.
It carries the threat of a penalty or some sort of punishment if you violate it.
Former prosecutor turned defense attorney John Tickle says though protective orders can be powerful, it all depends on the case.
It's an order, and it's not a body armor to protect anybody from any physical harm if the person who's intending on doing the harm wants to carry through with it.
According to the Genesis Women's Shelter,
it can actually be a life-saving response.
About 1,500 protective orders are issued in Dallas alone every year.
We encourage victims of domestic violence to seek to look into getting protective orders.
For Galaviz, she demands stronger enforcement of the protective order, especially now after what happened to her.
But I'm trying to turn that anger into strength because I know that there's other people out there that need help, and I want them to get that help.
Now, regarding Galaviz's case, we did try to talk to a spokesperson with the Rowlett Police Department, but we were told they cannot comment on the case at this point. By the way, violating a protective order could mean up to a year in county jail and a fine. Karen?
So, Arzo, if someone else finds themselves in the same situation,